If you ever grew up loving Nigerian meat pies, you know it's not just a snack. It was that one bite we all looked forward to after school, after church, at birthdays or road trips. Now I want to show you how you can make the best mouth-watering meat pie that everyone would love. It is easy to prepare and you can make yours just using these steps. And if you're abroad and you're worried about your oven setting or you can't find all the Nigerian ingredients, I got you. Grab your pen and paper, I'm about to take you on a ride. The Nigerian meat pie has its roots in the British Cornish pastry, but we added our own twist, spices, richness, and memories. Now it is more than food and it's something that feels like home. If you are abroad and you can't find Maggi or Unger, you can use any seasoning powder or spice blend you trust. It doesn't have to be perfect, but trust me, by following these steps, you'll be able to get the right meat pie. Do not rush the process because shaping and sealing brings everything together. If you're using an oven abroad, don't worry. Mine goes up to 230 degrees, but for this recipe, all you need is 175 degrees. Check your pies from 25 minutes mark and you'll be just fine. And there you have it, golden, soft, flavorful Nigerian pies. You don't need to be a pro, all you need is the right guide. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more recipes. Bye!